Why don't you wander down my happy trail? Why don't you wander down my happy trail? If your car smells like a garbage pail, oh baby, don't inhale. Instead, just take a little stroll right down my happy trail. How about you hike along my happy trail? How about you hike along my happy trail? Don't let your nostrils flail. Instead, let's both set sail and walk a little deeper down my very happy trail. When your car's stinking like a Bigfoot would, should you spray this? I think you should. If your air isn't smelling very good, happy trail yourself right back to the woods. All the pine cones, the big trees, mountains, rivers, and birds and bees. What a scent, piney, woodsy breeze. You'll enjoy all the love that my happy trail leaves. Isn't coming up for air every once in a while just so great? That's why Chemical Guys captured the smell of the great outdoors and bottled it in our newest premium air freshener, Happy Trail. The outdoorsy pine scent is sure to get your senses back on the right path. Let's take a walk into the woods, shall we? Available now at chemicalguys.com or your local detail garage.